I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is Elementor Form. Select a form. Click on Next. Now here search and select VBOUT. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. Now for API key. Please visit VBOUT API console. Then click on API integrations under General Information. Copy this and paste it on Authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Authorization successfully done. Click Next. Choose List. Choose Contact Status. Now map the fields. Here is advanced features available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to VBOUT. Then click Next. Finish and save it. Now check the integrations by submitting a form. Form submitted successfully. Now let's go to the VBOUT. Here is the data that came into VBOUT through the integration. Thanks for watching.